In our final look at weather, Hurricane Danny intensified early this afternoon, now packing winds of 115 miles per hour, making it a Category 3 hurricane. It is moving toward the northwest at about 10 miles per hour. But as you look at our close-up satellite picture, you can see that well-defined eye early this afternoon, but by evening, starting to close up, and that could mean that the system could be losing some of its sting, which is the forecast over the next several days as it continues its trek towards the west. Here on Sunday, we can see it back down to a Category 1, and then by Monday, right on top of the northern Leeward Islands, and it will be down to a tropical storm status. At least that is what we hope. And as it continues moving west, could possibly encounter Hispaniola in its track, and should that happen, Hispaniola with that mountainous terrain could perhaps weaken it to a tropical wave by the time it reaches the southeast Bahamas. But it's a little too early for us to talk about it. By early next week, we'll let you know exactly whether or not we are in any kind of danger. Satellite picture closer to home, high pressure remain in control, very light winds heading into the weekend, so boating certainly going to be a nice thing to take part in over the weekend, as those winds are going to be light and variable, very flat seas, 3 feet or less over the ocean. The forecast for tonight calls for just a few clouds floating around, still warm though, 81 degrees for your low, and tomorrow we're looking at partly sunny and hot rain chance around 20%, that is a slight chance, 91 degree a high temperature. The heat index 102 degrees. 5-day forecast looking like this. No change in those daytime temperatures, holding in the low 90s right through the forecast period. And your low temperatures, they're going to stay in the low 80s, meaning uncomfortable nights and very hot days.